dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Samina Akhter, Assistant Teacher of English of National Idol English Version School. I hope you are all fine. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of Junior 1, and our topic is question answer 5 to 8. Okay, this is lecture number 26 and you have to do SW also, this question answers 5 to 8, and this is the topic from your annual term, and here my mobile number is given. Okay, so let's start our lesson, dear students. Look, I have written the questions here. Our topic is question answer. I have written the questions here and we are going to write the answers. So let's see question number 5. Who is eating breakfast? Who is eating breakfast? So what is the answer, dear students? Manoj is eating breakfast. Manoj is eating breakfast. So dear students, see, Manoj is eating breakfast. Who is eating breakfast? Manoj is eating breakfast. Again, see question number 6. Who is happy? Who is happy? And the answer is Amar is happy. So who is happy? Amar is happy. See, Amar is happy. So let's see question number 7. Who is knock? Who is knock? And the answer is knock is a pet rabbit. Okay, knock is a pet rabbit. So dear students, who is knock? Knock is a pet rabbit. Okay, and last one, number 8. Who will have tea with father? Who will have tea with father? The answer is Sam and Pat will have tea with father. Okay, dear students, who will have tea with father? Sam and Pat will have tea with father. So dear students, let's repeat the lesson. Question number 5. Who is eating breakfast? Answer, Manoj is eating breakfast. Look at this spelling. Instead of who, you will just write Manoj, M-A-N-O-J. Okay, Manoj is eating, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating breakfast, B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T, breakfast. Okay, so Manoj is eating breakfast. So 6 number, who is happy? Again, the question is who is happy? Answer, Amar is happy. Look at the spelling Amar, A-M-A-R, Amar is happy. I-S is H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Okay, and don't forget to give full stop. Okay, always give a full stop after the sentence. Then question number 7. Who is Nog? Answer, Nog is a pet rabbit. Nog is a pet rabbit. So see the spelling N-O-G, Nog. I-S is A-P-E-T, pet. R-A-B double B-I-T, rabbit, full stop. Okay, Nog is a pet rabbit. Then last one, number 8. Who will have tea with father? Answer, Sam and Pat will have tea with father. So see the spelling, S-A-M, Sam, A-N-D, and P-A-T, Pat, will, W-I-L-L, will have, H-A-V-E, have, tea, T-E-A-T, W-I-T-H, with, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Okay, then full stop at the end. So Sam and Pat will have tea with father. So dear students, you have to learn these spellings correctly and write the answers. Okay, so I'm going to repeat once more. Question number 5. Who is eating breakfast? Manoj is eating breakfast. Who is happy? Amor is happy. Who is Nog? Nog is a pet rabbit. Who will have tea with father? Sam and Pat will have tea with father. Okay, dear students, I hope this lesson was very easy for you. Learn this at home properly and see you in the next class.